Here are the key features of the Hilly area solar mounting system manufactured by Senji New Energy. This product is perfect for your grid-connected and off-grid solar PV systems and is applicable for complex terrain regions such as mountains, hilly areas, grasslands, flat ground, deserts and other harsh environments. System's structural parts are made from steel and aluminium. For additional strength, steel accessory parts are galvanized, aluminium anodized, ensuring the system's ability to resist corrosion and environmental impact, making it able to withstand strongest winds and heavy snowfall of up to 120 kg per m2. At the customer's request, our systems can be customized, be it beams, rails or clamps, or tilt angle. Every part will be made to meet your requirements and fit the PV system perfectly. The mounting system has a 25-year lifespan with a 15-year warranty. We're here to answer your questions and help with assembling the construction via phone or email 24 hours a day. We will offer the best solution according to your requirement or needs and keep the shortest delivery time for every customer. The payment we accept are TT, LC, and we send our products by air or sea, depending on the order size. Founded in 2011, 𝐃𝐞𝐲 Senji New Energy Technology Limited is a leading manufacturer specializing in R&D production and sales of solar panel mounting systems. We are committed to providing customers with turnkey solutions, applicable for different kinds of grounds and roofs. Our products are used widely for residential and commercial solar power stations, including large-scale utility PV arrays, special application systems such as carport, and so on. We provide customized production solutions and OEM services to meet special needs of customers from all around the world. With rich experience in manufacturer, processing equipped with state-of-the-art automated production line, backed by perfect supply chain, powerful R&D team and advanced management, we strive to become outstanding manufacturer and best-in-class supplier of solar PV structure system. Our aim is to provide customers with high-quality, reliable and cost-effective solar mounting solutions.